Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Filipino-style flan. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. For the rich custard, you'll combine 10 egg yolks with 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. Next, prepare the caramel by melting 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water until it turns a beautiful amber color. Pour this caramel into your chosen molds, like traditional anuras or small ramekins, ensuring an even coating. To create the perfect caramel base, gently melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan over medium heat. Swirl it until it achieves a golden amber hue, then carefully pour it into your anuras. For the custard, whisk together 10 egg yolks, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of condensed milk until just combined. Remember to strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a wonderfully smooth and lump-free texture. Once your molds are filled with the strained custard, it's time to steam them. Place the anuras in a steamer basket over simmering water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the bottom of the molds. Steam for approximately 30 to 45 minutes or until the flan is set. You can test for doneness by inserting a toothpick. It should come out clean. After steaming, let them cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. To serve your delicious Filipino flan, gently run a thin knife around the edges of each anura to loosen it. Then, place a serving plate over the mold and carefully invert it, allowing the rich caramel to cascade over the silky custard. This dessert is best enjoyed chilled, offering a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.